Yeah. Now we just hope the pigs do not eat $900 worth of plants. Making like a little palmetto forest. And that is what I have done so far. Look at this thing. Our big female laying eggs, which means I don't think I've ever done this, Mom. Have we done this before?
No.
I don't know how deep they are. I don't know where they are. Dude, this hole is so deep. There's one. Very soft. It's cracked.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Is that awesome?
Dude, it's like having a real life sea turtle.
Oh, it's awesome. See that? That's how you know it's fertile. The embryo is...
What is going on, friends? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a couple of things to show you at the PC Farm 2.0, and then we got some news at the OG backyard I got to tell you about. Before we get into the rest of the video, I typically don't film vlog stuff, but this sponsor was way too cool not to work with. So after this amazing sponsor, I will see you right back with today's video. I am here at the shop where my car was wrapped and where my brother's car is right now being wrapped. He's inside the shop, so he has no idea, but Fitment Industries and myself have linked up to surprise my brother with brand new rims and tires. I've never done work with a company like this, so big shout out to Fitment Industries. I'm gonna leave their Instagram link down below, as well as the link to their website, where you can get suspension, tires, wheels, you name it, they've got it. They'll take care of you very well. They're a great company. I've been talking to them for weeks now, and we have finally got all the rims and tires inside the back of my truck, and my brother has no idea. What he does have a clue is, like I said, his car is being wrapped right now. So I'm gonna essentially just roll these new rims in, and we're gonna get the surprise of a lifetime. My older brother is in love with cars, especially this new Infiniti that he has, and one of the last things he needed was some nice wheels. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into it. Let's surprise my older brother with some brand new wheels and tires. Thank you, Fitment Industries, for making this possible. I can't wait to see my brother's reaction. Let's get started. Dude, look at these things. Damn. Sheesh. Hey, Joseph. What's up? I got yourself some nice,
No way.
Yeah. We're gonna put them on, dude. We're gonna put them on right now.
Really?
Insane, dude. You wanna take a, well, actually I have one that's already open. Dude, how long have you been wanting new wheels?
I can't even remember. This as long as I've had this car.
So today is finally the day. How surprised are you?
Shaking.
It's brand new wheels and tire day, and the car just got done as well. Look at this beautiful wrap. It is a big day for my brother, right, Joey?
Yes.
Now you want to see what they look like? Come over here.
Yeah.
I tried to make that surprise the best I could. Was it pretty good?
I did that.
Holy. Dan, how different your car is gonna look with these on?
It's gonna look insane.
Thanks to Fitment Industries.
Yeah, they sent them with the wheels on it, like the tires on it?
They sent them with the tires on it. Chris, how long does it take to put these on?
Like 20 minutes.
Let's do it, dude. Let's do it now. See what it looks like.
Hell yeah.
Dude, it's like Christmas. More.
Right?
Man.
I think it's better than Christmas, honestly. It's like an adult's Christmas.
Look at that. Hold it up, Joey.
Watch him not fit.
What do you think, bro? That's sick, right?
Insane.
Totally different vehicle.
Yeah.
Look at those beauties. Fitment Industries, big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for making this possible. Incredible. The wheels look great. The car looks great. Change the whole look of the car.
Yeah, absolutely.
100%. So if you guys do want to check out Fitment Industries, I'll have everything linked down below. If you got a car or a truck, whatever it may be, it needs suspension, wheels, tires, like I said, you name it, they've got it. Go check out the links down below. Thank you, Fitment Industries, for making this right here possible, making my brother's day. Without further ado, now let's get on into the video. First things first though, look at this. This is a big update. We have landscape inside the pig enclosure. Now, of course, all these are gonna get much, much bigger. But yesterday, we had a bunch of landscape come in. I filmed a little bit of that getting done. The palmettos are here. Yeah. Now we just hope the pigs do not eat $900 worth of plants. Making like a little palmetto forest. These things grow, how much do they grow? Like 1 inch a year? Like barely at all. So that's the only problem, is they might not grow fast enough. And these will just grow kind of together, as you saw the other one, how it looks. That's how it'll eventually become years from now. It'll be very natural for them to go through all this. And these are very good, expensive, but good. Now over here we have a couple of, what are these called, Daniel? Sable palms or cabbage palms, you name it. They'll grow about 2 feet a year. And those are gonna become like these trees, like as you can see in the picture that I showed you, which will then cover a lot of this area. And then over here, a mango tree. Picture me as a mango tree. Palmetto's going in. My boy Jacob is here from Zim's Property Management. As you can see, everything looks good. It's gonna take a while to grow all these, but everything amazing just takes time. That's about it, right? It looks great. Last night, I also worked on the goat enclosure. A parent's friend gave me a bunch of pallets, so I had something to work with last night, and I did what I could with what I had. My goal was this time to actually put a piece of plywood over this, that Boots can't get his foot stuck and break it like he did last time. This will have a piece of plywood all over the top, same with this, and then I'll obviously have one of Boots' little sitting chairs up there. This is gonna have a bunch of pieces of wood diagonally across to become like a staircase, and that is what I have done so far for them. I literally just did this last night for fun. Look at this pallet. This thing is huge. Oh, what's up, buddy? He's so stoked to see me. I put these fly traps out, and now that we have a horse, you know, the flies are bad. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're catching them up. Never knew this was as interesting as it really is. Does not smell good though. New landscape in the pig enclosure. Goat enclosure's got some pallet work done. The horse is doing good, and guess what? You probably read by the title and thumbnail, we got some babies. But not just any babies, we got some albino babies. You're the one that laid the eggs yesterday. I got a little video that I will put in right now. That is her, our big female, laying eggs, which means not only that they're happy, but they like each other. I think this is the male right here. We have 3 of these turtles, albino red ear sliders. Female, I believe that's another male. And then there's a third one somewhere in this pond. A lot of koi fish as well. As you can see, all of our koi fish swimming around. Those are all from Next Day Koi. That link is in the description if you guys want a discount on koi, goldfish, whatever. Oh, there's the other albino. He's right here. So now you got all 3 of them. And then don't forget about our yellow bellies that kind of hide down low. They have gotten a lot bigger too. We put a lot of turtles back here and only gonna put more. I actually have a lot more turtles coming. But all the turtles from our small turtle pond in the fish room are gonna come here. At least most of them, other than like more exotic ones. Not that albino red ear sliders aren't exotic, but the painteds and the yellow bellies at the house will come here and live a happy life in this beautiful backyard. If none of you have ever seen this, this is literally where I started making all my videos. It didn't look like this. There was obviously none of this was here. The water fountain is not on. I guess the electricity tripped again. All right, Mom, where was the babies yesterday? You were here. I don't want to step right there.
Yep.
I love how she covers it back up. We have to be extremely careful while uncovering these. So I think first things first, we got the Tupperware, right? Yeah, I called Camp Cannon, my turtle buddy, and he told me to put soil at the bottom, get the eggs, and then put moss on the top, which I have all that stuff. So we're gonna get some dirt first to start off. All right, we got dirt. I don't think I've ever done this, Mom. Have we done this before?
No.
I don't think, no, we usually just let them hatch, but the albinos are a little bit more, you know, like 300 bucks a piece, so we want to make sure they hatch. Although we're probably not going to sell any of these. We're going to keep them. We're going to make a dope enclosure for them. I'm so nervous.
Well, a lot of times, you know, the possums and stuff, they can smell it, and they come and they eat the eggs.
I don't know how deep they are. I don't know where they are.
You got it?
I don't have the egg, but this is definitely where it was. See how soft it is? So there's one that's broken. It was already broken. She must have stepped on it. There's one. Very soft. We're just gonna put it in.
It's Nemo. It's got a little.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm not doing this.
There's another.
Yay.
Is that from this one crack? Nope. This one's good.
Maybe take a couple.
See that rock that's underneath of it? Yeah. And then I move that rock and it could just crack them immediately.
Take a couple and then leave some.
See, it's cracked. I don't know. Dude, this hole is so deep.
I know.
Well, Mom, if you have any baby albinos, you know I missed one. It happens sometimes. I think I cracked one, and the other one was so high up that she cracked it when she was covering the hole. Out of 4 eggs, we've got 2 of them. I'll honestly take it. We have 2 beautiful albinos. We don't know if they're gonna hatch. That's never guaranteed, but we will bring them to where we know they're best handled, that's for sure. Camp Cannon's house. For all we know, there could be a whole different batch of them somewhere else. Bailey saw Mama dropping eggs and started barking. That's how my mom found them. Wait, it's sphagnum moss right here. Lay that right on top.
Ah, look at this.
We're here. We are here. Camp Cannon's albino red ear sliders, bro.
Let's see. What did you were they in with any other type of turtle?
Yeah.
What?
Yellow belly.
All right. Are there 2 albinos though?
There's 3.
There's 3 albinos.
Yeah.
What's the sex ratio?
I think there's 2 males and 1 female.
Chances are good. Who knows? Who knows? Let's just go. We're gonna go put them in the incubator. I got an aquatic turtle incubating now, so we're gonna put them right in and hope for the best. Who knows, man? It's one of those things, you know.
You don't know if they're gonna hatch or not, right?
You never know, dude.
How long do they take?
These guys are about 60, 75 days.
75 days. Holy, incubator's full.
Completely stocked. See that? That's how you know it's fertile. The embryo is
So we hope these are fertile.
yeah, definitely. So look at this. This is a sim container from Reptile. What is it? From my friends at Redline Industries there. So I'm just gonna do that, and that's it, man.
That's it.
Yeah, it's suspended. We're doing a different type of incubation. It's called the SIMS method, or suspended incubation method. And all you need is a container, one of these trays, and then you've put the water on the bottom, and then you can see the humidity as it evaporates. It keeps the eggs moist, because reptile eggs do need water, but they don't have to be submerged in water. Let's have a quick look. Maybe, I don't think anything's hatching at the moment, but
These are all sulcatas?
there's sulcatas, there's redfoots, elongated.
I love how the tortoise eggs are like balls.
Yeah, and they're also, you don't get tortoise eggs that are leathery. The water turtle eggs, with the exception of soft shell turtles, strangely, and snapping turtles, have more of a egg shell, whereas the other ones are just
Like little golf balls.
just little golf balls. Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna feed the cichlids. They're ready to eat. Woo! Oh yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Well, I asked 25,000 likes last video. We were at Kennan's house, and y'all hit 25,000 likes. So it looks like Kennan, we're going swimming. We're going swimming in this pond soon. So it's coming. Smash that like button at 30,000. Holy turtle!
Dude, there's one of the Badiger, man. Look at that.
Oh
guy go.
my
Isn't that
gosh.
awesome?
Dude, it's like having a real life sea turtle.
Oh, it's awesome. That's the Badiger. We got the fly river turtles. We're gonna have to go swimming in this thing.
There's a lot of stuff in here that you can't see that once we hop in, we will see.
You'll be stoked.
It's gonna be a crazy video. Stay tuned for that. If you ever see a thumbnail underwater of some sort, just click it, trust me. Or turn your notifications on, subscribe down below. Don't miss out on anything. Where are we going, Kenan?
We're going over.
There's always something to go look at here.
This is sulcata.
Yep.
And you got a bunch of redfoots.
Yeah.
And what do these go for as babies?
As babies, sulcatas are about $125, and then the redfoots are about $250.
It's a baby turtle filled day.
It's a cornucopia of baby turtles, dude. It's amazing. I think Sophia saw some cherry heads laying eggs the other day, so we got dig.
I love this fence.
Yeah,
I love that fence.
this thing's awesome, man. Tell him about Lego.
This is Lego. His shell's like this because they fed him wrong.
That's right. Yeah, that had MBD, metabolic bone disease. Someone gave it to me, sight unseen. Like, hey, I got a perfectly healthy redfoot tortoise, and they shipped it to me, and that came
That's
out
what
of
it
the
looked
box. I was like, dude.
That's super healthy.
Yeah,
Look at the difference.
Yeah, so this one has some pyramiding, but it's not deformed like this. That's just from a horrible diet. Oh, that would be the perfect turtle, or tortoise shell rather. Nice and smooth.
Look at this one.
Oh, dude, that's Cersei, man. Have you ever been at my buddy Sam Pascucci's at Florida Tortoise and Iguana Farms?
No.
Oh, man, you need to go there. He's got giant galops, bigger than Darwin, like 600-pound male Galapagos tortoises and huge alpaca tortoises. So he's always got beautiful babies around him. Cersei is my new little gal. I'm gonna raise her up so that Nostradamus has a girlfriend. She hangs out with my Cuban rock iguana Lola. I had her in her own enclosure, but it seemed like she got like...
She likes having friends.
Yeah, dude, they want to have a buddy.
They want to have a buddy.
Even if it's not another tortoise.
I mean, think about it. If we were a tortoise, right?
Yeah.
We wouldn't want to sit in a cage
I don't
alone.
want to be by myself.
I want a lizard friend.
I would definitely want... I got lizard friends. That's
literally.
exactly what we're
See what I'm
doing.
saying? There's the lizard friend.
That's a lizard friend. Everyone needs a lizard friend.
He's always got stuff going on around here. Camp Kenan, thank you so much for incubating my eggs.
Yeah, dude.
Appreciate it.
We'll
keep in touch. Make sure to go follow his channel. That way, if he makes a video before me and not telling me, you guys could tell me that he made a video without telling me first.
Yep.
Thank you so much for watching, Cuffaros. We had some baby turtles today. Also got you an update on PC Farm 2.0. Thanks again so much to Fitment Industries for helping my brother make his car pimp. I know it's something different, definitely not a promotion we usually do, but I thought it was different and cool. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.